With Infrastream, we believe in a GitOps workflow to ensure accessibility, reliability, and security. Infrastream lives within your Google Cloud environment and is GCP native at this stage. It also connects with your Google Workspace, GitHub, and GitLab. For context, normally you'd ask an engineer to pull reports from multiple tools to know what your engineering team is actually shipping and how the production environment's health is. Infrastream allows you to see all of your environments and a real-time history of every deployment. You know exactly what software is running and if it's healthy. For example, if a CEO sees that the production environment is green and healthy, then they have peace of mind. If they look at deployments and see a steady stream of successful updates, they know their engineering team is productive. So here you have your environments, your release tracks, your deployments, and your history as well. So you can always go back and review your deployment history and see how successful they were, what might have failed, where it might have failed, and obviously what's gone well. So for example, in my recent deployments, my dev stage has always been green. Aside from here, we can see that my portal cloud has been good, my integrations have been good, but I failed a prod environment here. So again, everything is unified in one platform, in one place for you to be able to review all of your environments and deployments in real time.